Now suppose our utility function which is given to us is q1 plus root of q2, which is of quasi-linear kind. Okay, you need to find out in part A marginal utilities of 1 and 2. So mu1 is equal to del u by del q1, which in this case is 1, and mu2 is del u by del q2, which in this case is 1 upon 2 root q2. Okay, now second part is determine whether this utility function it satisfies the assumption of monotonicity, that is whether your mu1 and mu2 are greater than 0. What is being said is that monotonicity means this, that more is better. Okay, so if you go on increasing the consumption of any one of these commodities, then the increment in utility is going to be positive, and which is there, since you can see that mu1 and mu2 are positive. Then you need to find out the definition of formula for MRS, which is del u by del q1 upon del u by del q2. Okay, so 1 upon 2 root q2, which is nothing but 2 root q2. Okay, so and then the last part is, that is, you need to find out whether this satisfies the property of diminishing MRS. That is, ideally what it should do is that your del MRS, okay, if this is increasing, then you can say this, that MRS is diminishing, or if del MRS by del q1 is negative, then you can say this, that MRS is diminishing.